Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install FxPro app on iPhone. FxPro app is a well-known trading platform that allows you to trade forex, stocks and other financial instruments directly from your iPhone. Installing it correctly ensures your account stays secure and the app works smoothly. This guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear, detailed way specifically. So first you need to start by unlocking your iPhone and locate the App Store here and open it. And the App Store is the official place to download, and after that on the bottom there's a search bar. Tap there. Under there you need to type down FxPro and search for it here, and once you find this FxPro trading and investing, just beside it we can find there's an option for the get. Tap on the get beside it, and after that you need to confirm using a Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password as well, and this app will start downloading automatically and you will see a progress circle on the icon beside it as well. And installing the FxPro on an iPhone is a simple process when done through the App Store by carefully searching for the official app, downloading it securely and completing login the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.